Recently, I was interviewed by Teresa McQueen from Workplace Perspectives on OC Talk Radio. Here are a couple clips that we extracted from the interview.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, again, the employers, especially business owners, aren't thinking about what happens when something does arise. So they want to look, but then they don't realize what those ramifications are when something does come up that they shouldn't see, and then how they're going to use it. And so that becomes really what it's all about, and also doing that effectively across all employees or all new hires, and having a kind of a plan, which then you can replicate and use throughout the organization as you scale and grow. And that way you kind of have a refined practice. And then from the employee perspective, hey, we do compliant background checks to mitigate risk in the business, which makes your employees feel a little bit safer and more secure. And on the onboarding process, it's a very professional way from the get-go of seeing how transparent the potential the applicant or new hire is in the process. And it's really that back and forth, and it's more about the process than it is necessarily what's found or not found.